Good morning, boys. So today in phonics, we are going to revise our silent B and silent K that we did about 2 weeks ago in lockdown still. So we're going to look at our silent letters. Remember, silent means we can't hear them. So we did the silent B or the silent B as in lamb, and the silent K, the silent K as in knife. Now today we're also going to introduce 3 new silent letters, and the first one will be the silent T as in listen, or the silent T, the silent W or W as in wrist, and the silent H or H as in school. So let's revise the silent B first. Now remember, the silent B has a M before it. So we've got thumb, lamb, crumb. So I missed some crumbs when I ate my cookie or my biscuit. Bomb. Limbs. Your limbs are your legs and your arms. And climb. The silent K. Remember, the silent K, after the silent K, we always have a N or a N. So let's have a look. We've got knee. Knit. I knit a jersey. Knight. So the knight in shining armor. Knot. I tie a knot in the rope. Knife. I eat with my knife and fork. And knock. I heard a knock at the door. Right, so those two, the silent B and the silent K, are the ones that we've already done. So we're now going to look at our new 3 silent letters, and the first one is going to be the silent T or the silent T. So we have castle. The princess lives in a castle. Listen. I have to listen carefully. Witch. So this is the witch on a broomstick that we can find in a fairy tale. Butcher. So a butcher is a person that works in a butchery, and he works with meat. Whistle. So this could be a whistle that your coach uses when you play rugby, or it could be you can whistle. It's the doing word. And watch. I wear my watch on my wrist, or I watch the rugby match. So our silent T, and next up is the silent W or silent W. So the first one is my wrist. Wrong. I got the answer wrong. Wreck. This could be like a shipwreck. Write. I like to write a story. The doing word write. Wrestle. So wrestling is a sport or a wrestler. And wrap. I can wrap the present, or it could be I eat a wrap. And our last silent letter that we're going to do today is the silent H, as in school. So we've got school. We've got hour. So this is the hour as in time. It took me 1 hour to complete my work. Honest. For example, if mommy asks who did this, you are honest. You own up to it. Mechanic. So a mechanic is a person that works on cars and fixes a car if there's a problem. Why? So a lot of our question words actually has a silent H, like why. We have who, what, when, and where. They all have a silent H. And the last one, the color white. Okay, boys, so let's quickly have a look now that we've introduced the 3 silent letters and we've revised the K and the B. I'm going to quickly explain the 2 worksheets that you have to finish for today. So the first part of the worksheet is fill in the correct silent letter and then draw the pictures. So lamb, you would fill in the B and then draw a little lamb. Number 2, the second part would say complete the question sentences by using a word that contains a silent letter. So you have to finish the question sentences, and inside that sentence you must have a word that has a silent letter. You can decide on your own word. It doesn't have to be a word that I've already used. And just remember that a question sentence always ends with a question mark. So I've made my first one. I decided to use the word not, and my question sentence is, why did you tie a knot in the rope? The third part of your worksheet will be read the sentences and answer true or false. So is it true or is it not true? Not true is false. So the first one is, I eat with a knife and fork. That would be true. The second one reads, a castle is a very small building. That would be not true. So then you're going to fill in false. And the last part of your worksheet is sort these pictures into the correct column by writing the word. So I've done the first one for you, which is school. You can see there's a tick next to the picture school, and I wrote the word school in the column where it says a silent H, because a school contains a silent H. Okay, boys, hope you're having fun, and we look forward to you receiving your worksheets, and have a lovely week and a day ahead. See you soon.